anything, but what a volatility in Nifty and the stocks today. So let's understand how I fared. I got off to a bit of a wrong start. I was trading the stock called Fusion, right? Fusion started with a huge relative volume of 150% in the first few minutes itself. So there was no point in me doubting this move. So I went long immediately on the stock at around 192. The stock went up to 198.97. So I was expecting some resistance around it, 200 round number. So I booked some half over there. And once it cut this low, I exited my rest at 193. So it's not some trade that I can, there's nothing much to write about it. But yesterday evening itself, last candle gave very good clue that this guy will move. So I entered around 192 and my exit was somewhere around 197.5. And so the first 192 and my stop was obviously low of the day. So again, very poor risk reward ratio of 1:1.29. And in the second position, of course, it is even worse. And it's just 0.39. So these are the trades in a second position. After all the money that I have to pay Madam FM and a broker and the exchange, it's nothing, right? Unless a trade is doing at least 1:2, it's very difficult to make money nowadays. In the end, I mean, what I mean is net profit or not gross, right? So that's, I would count this as a negative trade, in fact. The trade identification is again very simple, nothing much about that. Just to move this out of the way and let's go to the daily chart. So the stock was exhibiting all the right things, right? So it tried to cross this resistance couple of days and today was a gap up, which ideally should have taken it up to 203, 204, which was what my expectation. And it's also making a really nice double bottom here. But today the stock has been closed in a way that it's going to be difficult for this stock to outperform. So this candle is not there yesterday. So this is the candle that we had. And from here, if the stock was going to open higher, then naturally it is a bullish outlook, and that's what I followed. But the overall market conditions didn't allow the stock to flourish, and that's fair enough. So let's go to the second trade now. So the second stock that I had traded was Suntech. So Suntech opened with a huge gap up and it ran into the resistance area on the daily chart and made a perfect shooting star. So I shorted below the shooting star and I kept my stop loss here. I didn't want to take too much of a stop loss because there was no reason to suspect that the stock wouldn't go up and cross the high once more time. But this is already the second touch, so I was pretty sure that we will, and the overall market was also negative. And my target was obviously somewhere around previous close or 89.9. It didn't come, but I closed out. It was an auto square of the system at 493 or something. So this is a great trade that I got with a 1:5 risk reward ratio. And if you look at the daily chart, that I can clearly see the resistance zone over here, which is between 542 to 545, such a strong resistance zone. So when the stock gapped up, I was looking at the zone to see its reaction. And as expected, it made all the way down back to square one. So those who were holding, and because it did quite some move, to look at let's say if you had gone long at 452, it's already done 20%, and 20% in this market is huge. So well done to those who held on to the stock and exited over here. We just took a small piece of it by just holding a short from around the third candle, sixth candle of the day. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, fifth candle of the day, sixth candle, yes, correct. And to the holding it till the end. So very easy trade. Stock goes up, hits the resistance, comes back, but tries to conquer again, doesn't work, and then bears. Just ate it up. Okay, so this is a very simple candlestick trade, 15-minute time frame. Hope this is clear. If so, we will go to the next one. By the way, if you do like what you're seeing, we are gaining something from it, please do express it by liking the video. If you don't like it, please mention in the comments. Very happy to share feedback and appreciate your time. Yes, let's go to the next video now. My last trade of the day was on Nifty. So let's understand this trade a bit better. So I've been telling in my review of the trades for the last 2-3 days that what I think is happening is just a pullback. It's nothing, no bullishness over here. And about 23,300 market will be bullish, and about 23,100 market will be bearish. So today market opened in such a way and fell in such a way that I really did not want to trade it because it was just one way down without any kind of pullback. So rally up like this was expected. Not maybe up to this level, but this is what I was afraid of, and that's why I didn't trade. And I missed this move also. I didn't want to really go long until near the support level. But then what awakened me to the possibility that there might be good money to be had in Nifty was the fall that followed this green candle. 2 huge red candles. This quite clearly tells us that the bears are taking over, right? And there is a solid distribution going on. But I didn't jump on it. I waited for Nifty to pull back, and the pullback extended all the way up to the high of this candle, right? And you can see 1, 2, 3 candles tried to close above the high of this candle. So, and the bulls miserably failed. 1, 2, and 3, right? And then it made 2 continuous bearish hangmans. Look at the volatility on this candle, right? And I'm sitting through all this. If I short here, I don't have any kind of proper stop loss. So it's very important for me to always have a proper small stop loss before I enter my trade. Right? So then I got the second bearish hangman. So I shorted here with the stop loss of above this high, and I covered it around 723,052 level around the day's close, and with a risk reward of 1:6 almost. And this was a very easy trade because there's absolutely no pullback once I entered, and I got the sweetest part of the pie. I did not carry anything because God knows what Trump is going to do tonight, right? And the trade setup is pretty simple. This was a great trade, right? Bearish hangman at resistance. One could have traded this easily. I did not because I wasn't sure, and because there is a strong support here. Yesterday the market traded a lot at this point, so but then after that there was no pullback at all for me to enter. So just waited out. This could have been another opportunity, but then there are huge resistances here, which Nifty pretended that it didn't see it, and then it put hit here. Ideally, a bull, if the market was bullish, there would have been a follow-up candle, but instead what we got was 2 big, huge red candles, right? And this alerted me to the possibility that market is definitely going to fall. And where do I enter? Do I enter here? No, the stop loss is close to 250 points. Then wait. And finally, a small candle, which gives good risk reward. And that's where I entered and enjoyed the patience, fruit of the patience. So the good things that I did was, one was I was aware to the possibility that there can be money made. Second is I waited very nicely. No, I didn't jump on the first possible candle and waited till I had the perfect opportunity in terms of risk reward. And I was not in a hurry to cover. Yes, I did lose close to 100 points, but that's okay. That happens. I meant I covered only at the end of the day, right? So that's what I meant. So today was a pretty good day for me. All the three trades, I would say, went well. And I was open to the possibility that there could be market shift in my first trade as well as the third trade. Second trade was very straightforward, easy trade. Overall, a good day. I would say 8 out of 10 day for me. And I wish to have more such days and grow my capital further. So I hope you are deriving benefits, at least some benefit from these videos. If so, please do like or share so that I know that you are. You could also describe it in your comments. And if you don't derive value, if you have no idea what I'm talking about, please do write in the comment box. And if you have any feedback on what else to do better, I am always yours. Thank you very much for your support. I really appreciate that. And I'll see you tomorrow with hopefully some good trades. So, see y'all. Bye bye.